Hi, everyone. My name is Urvi Chetta, and I'm a group manager for Manage Stage at GitLab. Today, I want to go over the updated vision and direction for Manage. We have recently updated the vision to take into account some of the market data that we have, the customers' feedback, as well as some internal considerations like our strengths and opportunities. So let's get started. The goal of Manage Stage is to help enterprise customers set up and adopt GitLab quickly, efficiently, and securely. Manage is a horizontal stage, meaning we are positioned to deliver value at every step in the DevSecOps lifecycle for the users. Today, Manage has three groups: authentication and authorization, import and integrate, and foundations. Authentication and authorization helps users log into GitLab as well as manage their permissions in GitLab so that they can access the resources that they need. Import and integrate helps customers migrate their resources from other platforms onto GitLab and also help them integrate with third-party tools. And Foundations group is mainly focused on improving SUS, which is System Usability Score, and also focused on enhancing the overall user experience for all personas in GitLab. So those are the three groups we have in Manage. Moving on to the stage teams, we have 5 stage teams that will help us deliver value to our customers and help them make the most out of their GitLab instance. The first one is drive adoption. In Manage Stage, we will emphasize on land and expand strategy to establish pathways for adoption, and we'll focus on enhancing adoption and engagement with ultimate level features. We also will streamline the import processes for enterprise customers, and will improve the support for the integrations that foster collaborations. Our goal is to increase the utilization of stages per organization, hence providing better value to our customers from their GitLab instance. Second theme is security and compliance. GitLab is mission critical for a lot of our customers, and I know that security is top of mind. So we plan to give system admins tools so that they can balance their security and user experience needs. The third theme here is helping customers deliver faster. One of the goals for Manage Stage is to help our customers provide value to their users faster. Because we are a DevSecOps platform, we want to make it easier for every user who logs onto the platform to complete their day-to-day tasks by removing the number of steps they need to do and make them more efficient. One example of this is pinning. Without pinning, you would have to dig deep into the navigation menu and find the particular feature that you need to do your day-to-day tasks. But with pinning, you can do that with one click. Improving SUS, like I mentioned earlier, our Foundations group is really focused on this. We want to improve the user experience of everyone who logs into GitLab. One of the ways in which we drive consistency is through our design system, Pajamas. And we have recently released the new navigation that I will also talk about more a little bit down here. That's improving SUS. And the last theme is improving operational efficiency. Our goal is to help users cut down the number of steps they need to take in order to accomplish any task in GitLab. So operational efficiency really is focused on adding automation, for example, with AI, so that you can get to completing what you need to do in GitLab faster, more efficiently. Moving on to 3-year strategy. In 3 years, we expect that onboarding to GitLab will be much easier and simpler, specifically onboarding to SaaS and dedicated platforms. We also expect to integrate with a number of third-party tools as defined and consistent with our vision of all ops platform, which is basically our vision as a company is to have one platform for all of your DevSecOps needs. We also plan to make it easier for system admin to do user management. So we will provide them with best-in-class user management tools, so it is easier to onboard and offboard users. We also plan to improve learnability and reduce cognitive load on the users. One of the things we want to do for the new users is to be able to quickly ramp up in GitLab. And one of the ways in which we plan to do this is using intuitive, easy to use, accessible navigation. We also are planning to provide customer tools to follow the principle of least privilege, which basically means that a system admin will be able to provide users only the permissions sufficient for them to be able to do their task in GitLab. This improves security for our customers. And the last one here is AI. We plan to add automation into our workflows in line with our stage theme, which is operational efficiency, so that it reduces number of steps it will take for a user to complete their job in GitLab. That's 3-year strategy. Now diving into 1-year plan. So for each group, we have a lot of exciting features coming up for 1-year plan. And I will go over authentication and authorization first. One of the features that we are really excited about is custom roles and permissions. We are creating permissions for the users so that system admin can adhere to the principle of least privilege. Today we have APIs for creating new roles, and we are adding UI for doing the same in this upcoming release. We will also work towards full FedRAMP compliance. We have interesting features coming up in enterprise users. For instance, if a customer has their domain verified, and if their users have their primary email linked to their domain, then they'll be automatically able to claim their users. As a result, be able to easily do user management like onboarding and offboarding. Also, it provides more control to system admin over the users. There are also other features like passkey support, credential inventory for GitLab.com, token management, as well as token rotation APIs that are notable and very valuable for our users. Some of them we have already shipped, like token rotation APIs, which is very helpful. Okay, so moving on to the next group, which is import and integrate. This group is particularly focused on making the entire import experience better for enterprise customers. We want to make sure that all of your data moves over to GitLab quickly, efficiently, and in a very intuitive way. That would be our focus for next year or so. We have specifically 3 different importers that this group supports: GitHub importer, Bitbucket importer, and GitLab importer. The third group, Foundations, is focused on improving the navigation as well as settings experience. So we have recently rolled out the new navigation, new sidebar, and we will continue to enhance it with design fixes, bug fixes, and so on. We will also focus on improving the settings experience down the road. And we are making sure that we improve our design system to build a consistent user experience across GitLab. So these are some of the exciting features coming up in next 1 year. And this is everything that we plan to do in Manage. Please go through the direction page and also link me, tag me on any issues that you want to collaborate on or have any questions on. Thank you. Bye.